Did you know that you can automate customer check-ins and review requests using HighLevel? This is a great feature, especially for in-person locations, because you can automatically send a review request to a customer after they've checked in at your location. Let me show you how it works. All you have to do is navigate to reputation on the sub-account level and then go to settings. Then we can go to SMS review requests, and whenever we turn this on, we can now request reviews with an image by toggling this on and adding an image. We can include an additional SMS here, something just like this, and then we can figure our review request behavior, such as when we're supposed to send an SMS after check-in, whether it's supposed to be immediately, an hour after, 2 hours after, and so on. And we can also repeat send this SMS with the review link until it's clicked using this setting. Depending on your check-in process at your location, this may look a little bit different, but using this setting, you can automatically send out review requests to your customers after they've checked in, which is absolutely awesome. As always, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.